Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add a members area in Wix Studio, so let's get started. First, open Wix Studio and log into your account. Once you reach the dashboard, this is where you control everything for your website. On the left side, click the plus icon, which opens all the elements you can add. Scroll down until you find the community section. Inside this section, select Members List. This feature is important because it allows you to manage the users on your site and gives them a dedicated space to log in. Now click Add to Site. Wix Studio will begin setting up the members area, and this may take a few moments. Once it's done, your website will now have a built-in members area where visitors can sign up, log in, and access exclusive content. You can now customize the members area however you like, add private pages, share updates, or offer special content to keep your community engaged. The setup is simple, but the real impact comes from how well you use this space to build a strong connection with your audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.